Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing power so you avoid damage. Once unplugged, remove the controller shell if your model requires opening. Use the right screwdriver to avoid stripping screws. With the controller open, visually inspect the joystick module and wiring for debris or loose contacts, and keep cotton swabs and 70% plus isopropyl ready. This lets you act fast and prevents common mistakes, because cleaning and reseating parts is where most drift fixes begin. Once open, blow out dust with short bursts of compressed air, then moisten a swab with isopropyl and clean around the potentiometer and base while you rotate the stick to reach all surfaces. Make sure not to soak components. A damp swab is enough. After cleaning, reseat any connectors and reassemble the shell, tightening screws evenly. When reconnected, run the controller calibration on your console or PC. This ensures the sensor range resets and corrects residual offset. You finish by testing the stick in the calibration screen and making small dead zone adjustments to eliminate minor offset while preserving responsiveness. If the drift remains after cleaning and calibration, the potentiometer or hall sensor likely needs replacement. Swapping the module restores factory behavior, so prepare a replacement or seek professional repair. As a troubleshooting tip, if intermittent drift appears only after temperature changes, test again after 15 minutes of powered use. Thermal effects can reveal worn sensors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.